Yes, I did. We did that 3 years ago, and it was a very successful and a good turnout for the event. I thought it was a good opportunity for different companies worldwide that are vested and involved in the offshore market to come together and develop each other's business through all the different contexts in the event. It allows us to understand the dynamic of the industry in the region of Mexico, the opportunities and the key players that are involved in the development of projects where we could participate as a manufacturer. So, well, based on the recent data that's out there, I believe that the industry looks very promising. There's a lot of changes and adjustments to how different companies can participate. So I think overall, the development of opportunities is going to be very beneficiary for those who stay involved and stay alert with what's happening in the offshore market.